So this is a 1-cup coffee maker. You can use the refillable pods. Highly recommend that you use a measuring cup or something that with a pour spout. They say you can use your coffee cup, but the only problem about it is that I had real trouble trying to pour it without spilling all over the place. So it takes a little while for it to warm up. That's how you know by the flashing light. It will automatically shut off after it's done brewing. So it's a nice compact, probably for a single person use, coffee maker. The only caveat is some of the other name brands probably have a strong coffee that maybe the pump doesn't pump the water as fast, so that it helps with the brew time to make it a stronger cup of coffee. This is just going to be your regular straight drip coffee. It wasn't bad. It takes about roughly 2 minutes for it to make a cup of coffee. So I'm not going to have you do the total video on waiting for this thing to brew. But it did work well. I did have a little problems with the latch, not latching on my refillable pod. But now that it was after the first one, it seems to work a little better. Time will tell whether that will be an issue later on. But for single use, it's not bad. The only problem is there is no water reservoir, so you're going to fill it up each time you make a cup of coffee. So
here brewing my hot apple cider, and there it goes into the cup. This is the perfect little thing for one person at a time, and it's so easy. You just pour in water and put your little pod in. You're ready to go. I love it, and it's going to be just what I need for my studio.
It shuts off. Why?
K-cup's got to go in. Then I'm going to push it down.
This is the button.
press the button, and it's going to get hot and brew.
So the stuff comes out really fast. It's really cool. I just have to plug it in, and then it starts with that. In 5 seconds, it starts pouring down. Takes about a minute to finish all together.
Follow the instructions. This is a disaster. Look at the bottom. It's just leaking from the bottom. This is going bad. I tried.